Hello everyone! In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the line tool. With this tool, you can draw simple lines, shapes, or arrows. Let's start with a simple line. Simply tap at the beginning, draw your line, and double-click to stop drawing. Now, let's try to draw a shape. Select Polygon in the Line Tool menu and start drawing your shape. To stop drawing before completing your shape, double-click. You can also move, resize, or rotate your shape. To do this, select the Select tool, then select your shape. With these buttons, you can resize it, change its shape, and rotate it. To edit the shape, double-click on the line and use the controllers to adjust it. To add text, navigate to the Text menu and click on your shape. To draw a shape with angles of 90 or 45 degrees, use the Control button on your keyboard. Now, let's try changing the color. You can alter the color of your lines after you've drawn them. Navigate to the Color menu. You can also change the fill of your shape and the color of your lines. Let's try drawing an arrow. Select Arrow, choose your color, and then point it in the desired direction. Double-click to save. You can draw arrows of varying shapes and stop drawing whenever you want. You can also change the color of your arrow. We hope this tutorial helps and makes your lessons more engaging and interesting. Have a great day.